Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Mike. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 reasons why hockey players should do yoga. So as a former hockey player and now a current yogi, I've really come to realize that the two really go hand in hand with one another, and that by doing yoga on a regular basis can really have a huge impact on your overall hockey game. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to let me know down below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay guys, so reason number 1 hockey players should do yoga is strength. So yoga is a great form of exercise to build strength, especially if you practice it consistently. So just to give you some of my own personal experience, I'll go back to when I was doing my yoga teacher training, as it was very intensive. It was a 4-week program and we were doing hours upon hours of yoga every single day. We would start off each day by doing half an hour of meditation followed by 2 hours of yoga, and that's how you started every single morning for like a month. And just by doing yoga that much, after a couple of weeks, you could really start to feel your body getting stronger, and you could really start to see your body getting stronger as well. So if you've ever gone to the gym consistently, which I'm sure most of you have, you probably know what I'm talking about. By working out on a regular basis, you just start to get stronger, you feel stronger, you can see yourself getting stronger, and it's a great feeling. And doing yoga on a regular basis is very similar to going to the gym, except we're working a lot of different muscles than we would at the gym. We're working a lot of secondary muscles, if you will. But it basically gives you that same feeling as you were going to the gym. And being strong out there on the ice is a huge component to being a successful hockey player. Just when it comes to winning loose puck battles or when it comes to shooting, being stronger on the ice really goes a long way. And reason number 2 hockey players should do yoga is flexibility, and with flexibility, a decreased risk of injury. So by being more flexible and limber out there, you're really less prone to come in contact with any form of injury. Just by doing yoga on a regular basis, it really strengthens the bones as well as the joints and the ligaments in the body. So just by working those tendons and those ligaments on a regular, consistent basis, it really makes them stronger and less prone to injury. And if you're a goalie, I'm sure you already have a nice stretching routine, but hockey players should definitely look at incorporating some yoga into their life just to be a little bit more limber and agile out there as well. And the third reason why hockey players should do yoga, and this is my personal favorite, is that present moment awareness, or in other words, just being in the zone. If I were to ask you to describe to me the best game you've ever played, whether it was like at a championship game or maybe you scored 5 goals or whatever, if I were just to ask you to describe to me how you felt during that game, I'm sure you would say you were just in the zone. It just felt easier for you out there on the ice. Everything was just kind of effortless. You were always in the right place at the right time. Chances are you would tell me that you weren't even thinking, you were just so dialed in, laser focused, and making passes or shooting the puck was just a breeze for you. And really, this is what yoga is all about, essentially, is just kind of detaching from the mind and detaching from thinking and just being one with the body and just being super present, super in the moment, and just kind of having that confidence to go about yourself, whether you're on the ice or just out in life, really. So, okay guys, so those are 3 reasons why I believe hockey players should definitely do yoga, and 3 reasons why I believe yoga can have a huge impact on your overall hockey game. So if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. I will include a link up in the corner here to my off-season yoga for hockey players series. So this series is specifically designed for hockey players, In this series, you will find yoga sequences, yoga workouts, post-workout yoga flows, basically the whole 9 yards. So be sure to check that out if you haven't already. And another way to support the channel is by getting one of these off-season yoga shirts. So I will include a link down below where to get one, along with a little discount code for you. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments for me, be sure to let me know down below and I will happily get back to you all. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.